Hi there, this is my first project. This is based on Android development. It's a simple, basic birthday application that I built for a friend in my first year for her birthday. And while doing so, I just showcased my Android development skills that I learned for just passion. This application starts with some GIF animation, which shows clock animation, and then before that, calendar. Yeah, her birthday is on 25th, so I basically added an calendar animation showcasing that date. And this is the first page of that application. It has a background music of happy birthday, and there are specifically three sections of this whole project. First section has basically two songs. These two songs, each one has got pause play button. When I play this play button, it just plays this song. And when I pause it, the song gets paused. And same happens with this song. Let me pause it. And then when I go back, this background music starts again. Just because I have used it to add the essence of the first page. And then let's open the second section. It also has a song, and this song also has got pause play button section, pause play button functionality. As you can hear, the song has already begun. Now let me pause it and let me go back to the previous section. And this last section is the specialty corner. Specialty corner, sorry. And let's just move on to this section. This section also has got a background music, and it just comprises of few GIF animations and some messages that I wanted to share her. This is message in Arabic because she is from Nigeria. Press next section. So this is the end of the application. That's my project ends here.
Now I'm going to explain the code of this project. I built this Android application using Java language, using the Android Studio framework. The code is in the package com.activity com.example.mlb, and I imported these classes. Um, Intent is to handling intent. Media player is to handle media players like audio files, MP3 files, and bundle is used to transfer data files between activities. Activities means a page in my application, and view to handle the widgets or user interface components. My app has got several pages, so there will be several activities for my application. And total sections in my application are three. First section is represented by choice2, choice2.java file, and second section is represented by the choice3, and specialty corner or last section is represented by choice4. I am ignoring the home page, which is the main activity of this application. Before starting of my application, you have seen there's a clock GIF and the calendar GIF. So here is the implementation of all those things. There are a few things that you will see common in all classes, and these are uh, these few lines, which basically this line basically is a subclass. So each class each activity class will be a subclass of app compact activity. um, App compact activity is a class provided by Android X library. This Yeah, Android X library, and it is an extension of Android framework's activity class, and it is designed to provide backward compatibility, backward in implementations of latest Android features. In this page, I've linked this main activity with choice 2, choice 3, and choice 4 using intent function. And this function basically starts choice 2 and pauses my song 2. My song 2 and my song 1 represents the background music of the home page and specialty corner respectively. So only these two section or pages in my application have background music. Other pages, two of them have internal songs. There will be pause play button in that page. You can pause play the song using the button. And yeah, this function basically starts the activity choice 3 and pauses my song 2, and it pauses both the songs because it will start no it pauses my song 2 and starts my song, which is the background music of specialty corner. Now, coming back to this file here, splash activity, it basically uh, it basically means the screen that appears for a short duration when the application is just launched, providing an introduction before transitioning into the main activity. Now, in this splash screen, we can see there's a thread which I introduced in order to calculate this amount of delay. I wanted to put this amount of delay in the animation with which the application was launched. After this much second, it is going to transition into the main activity. It is used to so I have put it in try catch block so that till this much amount of time it will catch it, will hold it, and finally it will execute the intent function in order to transition into the main activity. And while moving into the main activity, it will start my song 2 dot start. My song 2 is the song of the is the background music of the main activity. Now there are a few. Now I will move to choice 2. Choice 2 is choice 2 represents the first section of my application, not including the home page itself. um, this choice 2 has got two media player files. These are two songs and two image files, image icon files. We can find all these files here in the drawable section. In the drawable section, we are containing images and GIF and PNG files, or image and GIF files. And in the layout section, there are all layouts or all Java files or all the application pages. Application pages, they contain each page contain XML file and Java file. XML is the skeleton, while Java is the brain of that application page. And in the raw folder, we can have in the raw folder it has all MP3 files and JSON files, and in the so and these are all included in the resource folder. Now each in the choice to Java, it has two songs which I already said. Now I've stored first song in my song variable. It is rewrite the start song, and this function set on click listener, it basically adds a functionality to the button which listens and executes some function. Here what I will do is I am passing this icon as view, and This function will check whether the song is being playing or it is paused. If it is playing, it will change the image icon of the button um, to pause, sorry, to play, and it will pause the song, so that when users clicks on the button, it will pause the song and it will place a play button over the button's face. So whenever he clicks here, it will begin the song, and control will be shifted here when he again clicks the button. What it will do is, if it will check if the song is not playing, then it will start the song and it will place this pause button over the face of the button. So whenever he wants to pause the song, he will just click here and the song will be paused. I add a similar functionality to the second song, which is All of Me song. As in the second section, in the first section of application, they both the songs has both the songs got pause play button. So I have added pause play button functionality like this, and I have used on back pressed function, which will pause both the songs, because we won't want to be colliding these songs with the background music, beautiful background music that first page has or main activity has. Now let's move to choice 3 section. It has got similar functionality as choice 2, and these are few lines which we will find common in all pages from here to here. Each activity will be importing these libraries, and it will be a subclass of app compact activity. Section choice 3 also has one song, so it has similar functionality to choice 2 as compared to choice 2. And choice 4 is the first page for specialty corner, and it represents this page, which has got this layout, page layout. It has got a GIF animation and a text message. From here to here, all have got similar functionality: an image or GIF, next button, and some message here also. So each page would be, and yes, except this page, each page will have similar Java functions, which will only have this intent function, which will just link each page with a for my page, except this page, because it's the last page of my application, so it's not gonna link to any other page. Yes, choice 13 and choice 1, these two pages are extra. I put them for some extra work if needed, but I haven't been needing them yet. So that's all was my project. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you.